Daddy, I heard some commotion in here and decided to come check and see what was going on. Tristan Dudley, get down from there now, please. How do you get off there? No more shelf in the room. No more shelf in the room, huh? You're a turd. Yes, you are. Hey. What are you doing? What are you doing up there? Come here. Mama, get you down. Come on. Jump. Jump. Alright. Watch you get up there again. Get up there again. I want to see you do it. Yo Gabba Gabba? You haven't watched that in a while. Tristan? 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 Oh my God! That's all you do to get up there? Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap. I am in big trouble. I think we're going to have to go over Grandma's every day for 2 months. I only went over there for 1 month with you. I don't know if I can handle this with you. You're just everywhere. Oh, you want to put on your hat? Come on, let's put on the hat. Here, Mama put it on for you? Okay, here. Leave it, hold on, leave it on so I can get a picture. Look at you go, yeah, go give a hat. Did show you give a hat? Well, you're pretty good at getting off there. I guess I'll leave it in here. Taught you how to get off the couch very well. Ah, give me that, Patsy. You ain't going to bed. Give it a Patsy. Give it a Patsy. Let's take the big toy box in the living room. How about that? What do you think? Okay. So we have toys to play with in there.